Hello guys, hello. Good morning to you all. Everyone, stand up, stand up. You ready? Good morning, good morning, good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you? Okay, guys, so, hello, and how are you today? How are you today? Sleepy? Tired? Or super mega happy? Okay, me, I am happy. Good job. Okay, guys, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like? It's certainly cold, yes. Today is cold. Today is cold. Today, the weather is, let's see what the weather is. See, today, the weather is cloudy. Yes, today the weather is cloudy. Okay, let's do our calendar. Okay, guys, so today, yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. So it was 1/7/17. Okay? 1/7/17. Yesterday was 17. Okay? 17 March. 17. So today, one more. Today is 18. Yes, 1/8. 1/8. 18. Okay. The month is March. Still March. The season, it's still winter. Yes. 2 more days and winter is finished. Okay, now it's morning, afternoon, or evening. It's morning. Very good. We just sang our morning song. Morning. And the weather, it's cloudy. Yes, today is cloudy. Okay, now let's repeat our calendar again. Okay, so today. Okay, so today is Thursday. See? Thursday. Okay. Thursday, repeat. Today is Thursday. 18. March. See? March. It is winter. Let's put this here. It is winter. Yes, it's still winter. It is morning and it is cloudy. See the cloud? Cloudy. Very good. And the year is 2021. Good job. Okay, guys. Now, tomorrow is another special holiday. Why is it another special holiday? Because it's Daddy's Day. Yes, it's Father's Day. Tomorrow, March 19. Tomorrow, March 19, is Father's Day. Okay, Daddy. What are the things that we can say to Daddy? What are the things that we can say to Daddy? We can say, I love you. I love you. Very good. We can say, I love you. We can say, love for Daddy. Okay. What is this? This is a heart. This is a heart. Remember how we spell heart? Remember? Let's see. Okay, guys, so this is how we spell heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. See? Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Very good. Okay, now, what is this? What is this? This is a hug. Hug. Very good. How do we spell hug? Okay, let's take this off. We still have H, so H, then what letter comes after? H, U, very good, U, H, U, and G, H, U, G, hug, hug, see, hug, yes, H, U, G, hug, very good. Now, how do we spell, what is this? What is this? This is a kiss. Yes, this is a kiss. So let's spell K. What comes after K? I. Yes, I. Then S. Okay, then we have S. We actually have two S's, so SS. We have another S here. We don't have another S in our alphabet. We need to add another S. So, K, I, S, and then S. 2 S's, okay? So, kiss, K-I-S-S, 2 S's. Kiss. Very good. And our other word, remember, how do we spell love? Love. L-O-V-E. Love. Love. See? Very good. Okay, guys. Now, because tomorrow, we also had this one. I love you. I love you. This is something that we can tell Daddy. Definitely we can tell this to Daddy. Daddy, I love you. Very good. Okay, guys. Now, remember our Daddy song? Let's try it again. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. D-A-D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. One time. A-D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. Why? 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 And Daddy is his name. Now 5 times. A very special friend, and Daddy is his name. And Daddy is his name. See? Daddy. Very good. Now, when you give your card to Daddy, you have to say, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. One more time. Happy Father's Day. I love you. I love you. See? This is what you have to remember. Happy Father's Day. I love you, Daddy. Okay? One more time. Happy Father's Day. I love you, Daddy. And you can give a big hug to Daddy, a hug and a lot of kisses, lots of kisses. Okay? Bye, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye.